So here we go with the live surgery. Live surgery was a really big deal. First of all, driving up to the hospital, scary. Second of all, love the sign. Third of all, it's not like you just walk in, meet a patient, see the x-rays, and have high fives all around in the OR the next day. CP had done just an incredible amount of work before I got there. I tried to get Caitlin into India in my bunny suit. That didn't work. And I needed some special instruments. Jennifer Williams from St. Thomas helped me smuggle them in my suitcase. That was an interesting trip through customs. So after a long day of conference while everybody else was out dancing, me and the OR team got together to go through a fake surgery. We spent hours learning the words we would use, the x-ray commands, the commands for the table, so that the next morning we would all know each other well enough to do this operation. And surgery itself went absolutely great. Lord knows I had a lot of help. Look at all the people in that OR, including 3 camera crews. And really there were no glitches, except I had promised my team back home I wouldn't swear, and after I hit my head on that camera one time too many, I did drop an F-bomb. We were all super happy with how things went. The patient walked the next day, he was happy. So high fives to all my new friends in India.